What's going on? Welcome back. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can turn these Amazon cheap XLR cables into performance monsters, guys. There's a big issue, guys, when it comes to these cables, guys. As you guys know, I am using. Let me show you. This is a Rodecaster PodMic, Rodecaster Pro Duo. I'm sorry, Pro 2, and I get a very high um, noise level, uh, home hiss, whatever they call it. Is great noise. Okay, and I have tried all the settings using the Rodecaster Pro and the microphone, and I never get the results that I want. But I find out that if I fix the cable, I'll be able to have much better improvement, guys, like 50% improvement from previous. Take my word, okay? I'm not doing this just because I want to make a video. So right here on the end, what you're seeing, guys, right here, right? Yes, you see these cables right here, right? And these cables have. Let me bring the light closer. These cables have um, right here. These cables have this exposed wire. So you got the ground, and then you got the positive and the negative. The orange is the positive, the other one is the negative. and and these cables have a very high. They're not shielded properly like $100 25-foot XLR cable. You know, there's many out there. You definitely don't need to buy them. Just fix this. The the noise doesn't come from the whole cable as long as you're able to ground your equipment properly, okay, and fix these little things, not leaving them exposed. You'll be able to do it. So let me show you how to do it. So right here you can see, um, right here you can see, can you see it? Yeah. So this is the piece of tape that I'm working with. It's I don't know, it's that big. Okay, it's that big. It's by inch and a half. I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I'm using a razor for this, and I'm gonna cut it again in half because I have 3 cables that I have to work with. Okay, can you see these cables? Yes, you can see these cables. So this is my workbench right here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of the largest pieces of tape, right? It's this one right here. And I'm going to put it behind that ground cable, okay? You gotta have some patience, by the way. I'm gonna put it behind the grounding cable. And I'm a little sick today, so sorry for the runny noise sounds. And then once you have it here, what I do is I bring it all the way down, and then I get the ground cable cover. Then I go to my other piece of tape right here. You already saw that first piece. Hopefully you guys can see this nicely. But this exposed metal and weldings are the ones that are leaking the majority of the frequencies. And what those frequencies do is that they hop from here, from this pieces of metal into the next connector. Okay, by adding these pieces of tape, you pretty much prevent them tremendously to jump. So I tried this on my other cables and it works. I've been having issues with the Rode, and I thought that I was gonna be able to fix everything by using the software. But even though Rode is an amazing, fantastic beast of a device, it wasn't giving me the results that I wanted, that I really wanted it. So anyway, now that I have all these 3, you see how these 3 pulling out. Now I'm gonna use another piece of tape. This one I'm not gonna be using this one. Let me get it right here. Let me get it out. I'm going to use another piece of tape. And I'm going to tape everything. Okay? Really nice. So there's no frequencies leaving this area as it's supposed to be, as it should be. Okay, now I cut this. Boom. That's it. Now I just fixed this $25 cable from Oblivion. And now I'm gonna put this into the connector right here. Yeah. Goes into the connector. There's only one way that this goes in, by the way. Okay? Only one way. Perfect. Yes. It's looking good. Then I'm going to bring this piece from the cable. Bada bing, bada boom. Perfect. Now this is really, really, really good. And yes, you can always buy the most expensive. And again, yes, you can always buy the most expensive cable, and you can just route this cable to where it doesn't touch anything or doesn't pass by any power cords, yada yada. But in reality, guys, we all have a mess in our offices, in our desks. I mean, and if you have one of those super clean desks, you're probably not doing it right. Or you're probably not doing enough. Anyway, whatever the case may be. Maybe that not be your real desk where you do work. But as you guys can see, let me show you guys. Here's what we have. Main gaming computer, Xbox, main gaming monitor, Nintendo, work computer, bunch of keyboards, cameras, Rode, second computer, that's my streaming computer, second monitor, Rode, VR, da da da. Look at that, green screens, bunch of shit, all my IT stuff, switches for my networking. I mean, I do a lot, trust me, guys. But anyway, guys, now let me show you the results. Okay, guys, so right now I'm gonna tell you this. It's just amazing. So one of the changes that I make, additional changes, is here in the Roadcaster. I'm gonna show you one more time. Go with me. So this is where my microphone fits. So I go to my microphone right here. You see the PodMic. Originally I have this one at 45. Like I can hear myself right now, even though my microphone is over there. Yeah. So I'm changing the level to 30, and nothing comes out of this. Nothing comes out of the headsets. Not right now. I can hear myself. I can hear myself. Yes. Wow. The difference, the change is amazing, guys. So if you have any questions about how to fix your Rodecaster, noise sounds, the PodMics, or other microphones that I have like 10 microphones. Anyway, let me know. Something else you gotta know is that the positioning, let me change this real quick. The positioning of your, for some reason, I don't know what they did, but the way that you position your Rode microphone affects the amount of noise that gets into the microphone. I don't know why. So I like to have it always pretty much like in this. This is how I record my voice when I'm gaming, when I'm doing one of those things. I'm always bring the microphone, the stand higher, lock it, and then I mess with this to where it's level with my voice, and I'm able to like bring it to you guys. It feels amazing. It really feels amazing. So yeah, see you in my next video.